Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change hotspot name on Samsung M35 device. Well, customizing the hotspot name can help protect your privacy by providing generic or default network names that may reveal personal information or device details. So, changing the hotspot name to an unidentifiable or generic name enhances privacy and reduces the risk of unintentional information disclosure. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the configuration process, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, within the settings, navigate to the connection section and locate the mobile hotspot and tethering menu. So, tap on this option to access the hotspot settings. Then select the first option available to customize your device hotspot settings. And within this menu, tap on the network name, and then you can change it according to your needs. So, after renaming your hotspot network, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Okay, by customizing the network name, you can personalize your hotspot network and make it easier for users to identify and connect to your device hotspot. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change hotspot name on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.